Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete Gmail account permanently. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Gmail app. Okay, then click on profile icon. Then choose your Gmail. Okay, tap on profile, click on manage your Google account. Okay, swipe left, click on data privacy. Okay, then scroll down, then delete Google service. Okay, then delete a Google service, then click. Okay, then your Gmail and password, then next. That's all. Delete your Gmail account permanently. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.